They never really fully charge. At some point, the battery finally gives out and you have to replace it. But it's not a replaceable battery per se. You got to take the whole thing apart in order to even do the battery on them. They're terrible. They're terrible. They don't work for crap. I mean, they work for a little while, but I barely did my staircase earlier and it already died. It already died. And I've been charging it for, I don't know, probably 3 hours now, and it's not fully charged yet. But the battery's shot. I mean, that's the problem. The battery just goes on them. You got a good year on these things, and then they start going to crap. And in my motorheads, I don't even have a motorhead anymore because the battery's terrible, the motorhead stops working pretty much immediately. So just buyer beware. They're bad. They're bad.
This is a review of the Dyson V8 Animal Vacuum. It works very well on carpets. Picking up after teenage boys. However, like you see, it just stopped. The battery life is about 15 minutes on max suction and about 25 minutes on the low suction. It is cordless. It is easy to clean. However, the battery life is something to be desired.
Damn it, christened my work unit.
Triggers down. Now it just completely stop working. Still battery. Okay.
Just shows how good that vacuum is. Yeah. Thanks for vacuuming.
What?
Thanks for vacuuming. Look at all of this hair. What?
The little mechanism in here no longer holds this shut. It's just, it doesn't latch. It's supposed to remain snapped shut until you pull on that.